مرحبا السلام عليكم كيف حالكم شو أخباركم how are you what's new what's good in this video we're gonna learn how to sound bossy in Arabic. In other words, we're gonna learn the imperative tense بالعربي in Arabic, which is the command form: do, go, drink, etc. We're gonna be mainly looking at 4 verbs, which are listen, look, come, and finally give me. Very common to say give me, give me, give me. It's an important verb to know. جاهزين? Are you all ready? جاهزين? Yalla. Okay, so first off, I'm going to share my screen over here. We're going to have to remember that when it comes to Arabic, there's 3 tenses whenever you're giving an order. So you have the you masculine, you have the you feminine, and you have the you group or plural. So whenever you're talking to a male, it's going to be one thing. Whenever you're talking to a female, we're going to add something at the end. And whenever we're talking to a group, we're going to add something else. So let's take a look here. For example, listen is isma, isma, witha, ayn. For those that aren't familiar with numbers and letters, make sure to check out that video. But basically, this just represents the ayn sound. It's a phonetically spelt word, words with numbers. And the numbers here are just to represent a specific sound or letter in Arabic that doesn't exist in English. So the a sound doesn't exist. So we put the 3 because it kind of looks like an inverted ayn, which is this. Okay? Just a side fun fact for you. For more info, watch the video. So isma' to a male, isma'i to a female, isma'u to a group. Similarly, look, shuf to a female, shufi to a group, shufu. So you're going to notice the same pattern, i, u. So i when you're talking to a female, u when you're talking to a group, okay? Isma', listen, isma', listen. Isma'i, listen. Isma'u. Ya jama'a, guys, isma'u. Shabab, guys, isma'u. Shuf, look, shuf. Shufi, shufu. Okay? Ta'al, come. Ta'ali, ta'alu. Now, some of you might be asking, if you're looking at the Arabic script, some of you might be asking about this. This is just the silent alif. This is actually the correct spelling, but we have this rule in Arabic to add the alif or a to differentiate this from words that have the waw out of the box. These 2 are called waw al-jama'a and alif tafriq. More on this later. Don't dwell on this too much. If you have studied this, I just wanted to point out that yes, this is correct spelling. However, phonetically, we can take out the alif because it's just there for like grammatical other rules or a spelling rule. But if you want to spell it how it sounds, this is how isma'u phonetically. Okay, shuf, shufi, shufu, similar. Shufu. Ta'al, ta'ali, ta'alu. Come to a female, come to a group. Ta'alu. A'tini. Give me to a guy, give me, a'tini to a female. These are both the same because a'ti ends in a ya sound already, ends in a e. So I can't say a'tiyini, a'tini. To a guy and to a girl, they're going to be the same. A'tini, a'tuni, a'tuni. If you see a capital T, that's typically how I would represent the heavy T, which is the ta sound, this letter over here. So a'tini, a'tini, a'tuni. Atini masari, money, atini flus, also another word for money. Give me some examples of what things you would ask a friend or family member or an Arabic speaker. What would you tell them? Atini, atini. You say atini da'i'a, give me a minute. Atini da'i'a or dagiga as an example. Tamam? So, most important is just to remember E whenever you're talking to a female, U. These are very important to know because they kind of help you with conjugating other verbs like the present tense, the future tense, so on and so forth. Okay, for those that are interested in studying Arabic in more detail, specifically conversational Arabic, check out the link. There's a link to an online course and maybe a small gift, a coupon code or discount for you to join the full online course with over 100 videos and quizzes and exercises, audio clips, scripts, and more. Okay, so check that out in the description. احكوا لي إذا في أي أسئلة. Let me know if there are any questions. See you in the next video. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي.